Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Dr. Jason Jones back with another episode of Health Made Easy. And today we're going to be talking about recovering from injuries, specifically from injuries from an auto accident. But the principles I'm going to teach you today are actually going to help you recover from any injury that you have. It may not speed up the process, but it certainly is going to help you recover at a better rate and have better long-term consequences or long-term outcomes in your recovery. So you need proper care and enough time when recovering from an auto accident. I mean, all healing takes time and it takes repetition. You might have sustained different injuries from an accident, and it would take a little bit of time to heal completely. However, each recovery time depends on the person, their activity level, pre-accident health, and the severity of the injury. So you may have to visit a doctor regularly. More often than not, you will. You might even have to miss some work days, and follow some useful tips. Chiropractic care has been the most effective way to enhance recovery from an auto accident, at least that I've seen in the last 20 years that I've been doing this. And that's what we help people achieve in our office, our private practice. But recovery from an auto accident does take time. You may desire to get back to work in a normal life, very early, but you need to let your body be the guide. This will require that you follow your body's cues as to when your healing process is complete and when you're ready to resume normal life. And just as a side note here, soft tissue injuries, especially those to ligaments, tendons, discs, meniscus of the knee, big cartilage areas of the body, take a minimum of 12 to 18 months, but more like 18 months. So, have it in mind that your recovery can definitely take weeks, months, or even years. And this depends on the extent of your injury, of course. But apart from physical injuries, you may have to deal with an emotional injury caused by the accident, which certainly can take a lot longer to heal. And you may find that you're afraid to drive or even stay in a car at all. But this fear, often passes with time and the right treatment. And if you have that going on and you'd like some psychological help, I can definitely direct you to some awesome treatments that work amazing. But I want to give you some useful tips from an auto accident. So there's a lot of treatment measures out there, and a lot of them that are available. But here are some tips for a quicker recovery and some complete healing. Number one, follow your doctor's instructions. Especially if your doctor has done this before and done it multiple times, he'll give you some instructions on recommendations for the first few days of recovery, but also ones that you can follow all the way through your care with them as well. Exercise works really great if it is specific to the person and to the level that they're at right now. We certainly do that with our patients in our practice, but we have to do it at the level that they are. And we may start with some really light stretches, like maybe some beginner yoga stuff, just some things that the body can tolerate. And then you can progress to a more rigorous routine later to get you back on your feet and back on doing the things that you want to do. Staying hydrated and resting well. You have to stay hydrated and take enough rest time to allow your body to produce more of the healing cells and energy to repair those that have been damaged. So instead of exerting energy, in other activities, your body will be able to focus all of its energy on repairing the damaged tissue even as you rest. So this helps to speed up your recovery time. So eating healthy is going to be another one. You need to ensure that your diet is full of vitamins and proteins, good fats, essential nutrients for the recovery process. And these two components really help boost your body's healing process and reduce your recovery time. And also, there's plenty of things you can do to also reduce inflammation. Now, how can a chiropractor help you if you've been in a car accident? You definitely want to seek early care and treatment after a car accident. We talked about this before. The closer that you start care from the time you had the accident, the less likely you are to develop chronic pain. And it is advisable to consult a chiropractor and get evaluated as soon as possible, so that you know the best treatment plan that will put you on the road to recovery. Besides that, you may also have delayed pains after an auto accident that may show up days or weeks or months later, and you make sure that you consult your chiropractor as soon as possible. That way, they can head that off at the pass. So your chiropractor may make certain adjustments to your spine, to your structure, may employ home therapy techniques like foam rolling, or maybe even some massage therapy and a variety of other things to help you not only get relief but also help your tissues recover as well. But you might also get some nutritional counseling, depending on if your doctor can do that or not, or if they're certified or have the experience to do it, or they may even have some exercise plans to help boost that healing process and help you regain full activity and full range of motion. So I hope this helped you guys out. I hope that you did not discount it because you didn't currently have an auto accident. We'll see you guys next month with a new set of podcasts. Super excited on what's coming up in the future, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.